Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Having a better product than the competition is no guarantee of success, but it does help with your fundraise. Here's how to build a better product. First, understand the customer and the work they must do. Know the overall process flow and how the customer's job fits within it. Analyze the customer's job to identify how to make it faster, easier, and cheaper to do. This includes time and dollars spent. Identify a key insight about the customer problem. These insights come from working in the industry or holding the job yourself. Know only the customer job itself, but also the workflow around it. Design a product that fits the customer flow and provides a faster, better, and cheaper solution. If you're not in the industry, then take on a consultation job in the industry for a period of time. This will build not only your knowledge of the job, but also the business around it. It will give you connections into the industry that will be helpful later. And it will also help you understand how to engage the support of others. Consider these steps in building a better product for your startup. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.